In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect a Namecheap domain to your Shopify store through an automated process. This procedure is recommended for its simplicity and efficiency. To start, the very first thing you need to do is log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your central control panel for your online shop, from where you can set up and adjust all the necessary details related to your store. Having logged in, your next step is to navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you can make necessary adjustments and alterations to your Shopify store. However, for this particular guide, you will need to go to Domains. This section can be found inside the Settings menu, and it's where you set up and manage your store's domain. The next item on our agenda is the Connect Existing Domain button. Locate this and click on it. This is a crucial step as this is where you're initiating the process of connecting your current Namecheap domain to your store. In the field that pops up, you'll find a space to input your Namecheap domain name. Carefully enter your exact domain name here. Be sure to double-check your spelling to avoid any avoidable errors. Once you've entered the domain name, click on the Next button to proceed. Immediately after, you will see the option to Connect automatically. Clicking on it is your next action point. As the name implies, this will trigger an automatic process that significantly lessens your workload by doing a chunk of the work in the background. After choosing the automatic connection, you will find yourself redirected to Namecheap's page. The page will guide you with prompts to log into your Namecheap account. If asked, grant Shopify the required permissions. This allows Shopify to automatically update your DNS records, ensuring your domain points properly to your Shopify store. Navigating back to your Shopify admin is your final step. Here, Shopify will take it upon themselves to verify and secure your domain. This is truly automatic, requiring no action on your part. However, it's essential to note that this process could take anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours to complete. In other words, you might need to be patient before you see the changes reflecting in your store. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store automatically. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Tune in for more insightful guide and explanations on more topics in the future.